Okay guys, well today I'm going to be picking this lock here, which is my practice cylinder. But what I've done, I've showed the missus how to pin this cylinder, and I've given her a selection of mushrooms, spools and key pins. I've asked her to pin this up with 5 pins of her choice. So I'm going to attempt to SPP this one. So I don't know what's in it or in what order, but I do know it's all spools and all mushrooms. Well, a mixture of the both with regular key pins. I'm trying SPP this one. There we go. That's picked. So let's have a look, see what she's put in it. Okay, that's the first pin, which is a spool. Second pin. There's a spool. Third pin. Mushroom. Fourth pin. There's a spool. And the fifth pin, spool pin. So there's 4 spool pins in there and a mushroom, and all regular key pins. So that's the Ilco practice lock, SPP'd and gutted with 4 4 spools and 1 mushroom. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, because hopefully I'll be posting some more videos soon. Just waiting on some more locks. That's what I've taken to actually picking my practice cylinder now on video, because I've actually run out of locks to pick. But hopefully get some more soon and get some videos up. So please leave your comments, please rate the video, and thanks for watching. Cheers.